Hi everyone, this is Pam here. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm making a 3 layers card. The top layer is the shaker card. Let me show you what we need here. We need a whole piece of blue cardstock. One is the card base. And I cut 2 pieces with circle dies. And we're going to put the one with the bigger circle on the very top. This way, you will be able to see the different layers. I'm using the circle dies to do this. We also need 2 pieces of acetate for the shaker area. I also cut 2 pieces of green cardstock with the Stitch Hill border die. I'm doing a lot of die cutting to make this card. Next, I die cut out the cloud. This is the cloud that I'm using. My die cutting is not quite done yet. I also stamped the flowers and used the coordinating dies to cut out the flowers. I colored the flowers with alcohol-based markers and used the white gel pen to make a lot of white dots on the center of the sunflowers. I used the butterfly die to cut out 2 butterflies. Then I colored them again with alcohol-based markers. I used flowers and butterfly punch to make this confetti. These are some craft foam for dimension of my shaker window. I cut the craft foam into small pieces and stacked 2 layers to each of the craft foam. Now that I have all the required pieces, I'm going to assemble my card. First, I start on the bottom layer. The only elements that I need for this layer are cloud and butterfly. Although this is the bottom layer, I still want to give the butterfly some dimension. Sorry, my hair is in the way. I'm using the stamping tool to make sure that my card is aligned properly. Now the bottom layer is done. Next, we work on the shaker area. To prevent the confetti to fall to the bottom layer, I need to adhere and acetate. Now the shaker area is done. I need to decorate the cart with more butterflies and flowers. I'm using this Happy Spring sentiment, but I only want the word, Happy Spring. So I covered the leaves with painter's tape, then take it off before I stamp it on the card. The card now is done. I hope you like this card. See you next time.